all applicants in this application confirm that they each have access sufficient funds to support themselves for the preferred period of stay in Australia and understand that further evidence of funds may also be requested. So how each applicant included in the application will support themselves in Australia to meet living, tuition, and school costs for select candidates lang. Ayan. Guys, dito, parang kailangan lang natin ipakita sa Australian government na kaya natin i-send to ang ating total period na pag-stay natin sa Australia. So, ayan. So, certificate of rejection. So, guys, during the proposed visit to Australia, does any applicant expect to issue medical card or required treatment or medical follow-up? So, ayan guys, pag may blood disorder, cancer, heart disease, hepatitis B or C, or liver disease, HIV infection including AIDS, kidney disease including dialysis, mental illness, pregnancy, respiratory disease or have required hospital admission or oxygen therapy. Ayan guys, so pag may mga meron po tayong nararamdaman like ganyan, sadly to say is yun po yung mga typical reason na nare-reject or nare-denied ng immigration. So dito po tayo guys is actual process. So dito pag for early childhood nutrition care courses and community service courses, ayan po yung mga actual courses doon sa Australia. So ayan guys, pag dyan yung mga courses na available or gusto nyo kunin, related siya sa natapos nyo dito here in the Philippines. So, pwede po nyo picturean po. Aware po kayo kung magkano yung enrollment, tuition, and material fees. For management courses, ayan po, meron po yung diploma of leadership, advanced diploma, ayan po yung on-site saka off-site, may enrollment, tuition, and material fees. For IT or information technology courses, meron din po. For automotive courses, yes, meron din po tayo po. Para aware na po kayo kung saan po kayo nababulong, pwede nyo po siyang picturean para may copy po kayo kung magkano yung enrollment na on-site saka off-site. Yung mga courses na pinipili na related sa natapos ng the Philippines. Meron din po tayong trade courses, engineering courses, and hospitality courses. So, ayun guys, kung nasan yung mga related courses o napili na courses, pwede at least aware na kayo kung magkano yung babayaran. So, ito po guys yung ating course start date. This 2024. So, tapos na po yung for January. So, the next intake is for April 2022, July 15, October 8, 2024. So, ayun guys, habol po tayo sa ating April 2022. Dahil no umani, no IELTS pa po as of now. Pwede pong magbago anytime. So, much better mag-process po tayo early para makaabot po tayo sa ating no umani and no IELTS. Sa summary fees po natin, ayan po yung mga estimated. So, add 10% buffer. Sa school tuition fee, school enrollment fee, school material fee, and visa application fee, medical fee, research fee, and biometrics. Ayan po yung ating overall estimated fees is 253,550 pesos. So, estimated lang po yan, so much better mag-add 10% buffer po tayo. So, how to earn almost 1 million in just 5 months as a student. So, if you're earning $35 per hour and work 40 hours a week, you get 1,400 a week salary. So, for the second month, 11,200. Ayan po guys, so total po nito is almost 1 million in just 5 months. So, kalahin nyo guys, in just 5 months sa Australia, kikitain nyo na yung ganyang kalaking pera. Diba? As a student pa lang po yan. So dito, pag pupunta kayo doon na as a couple, kung may spouse kayo, so katulad lang din, earning pa rin kayo ng $35 per hour, dinoble lang as a couple yung kinikita nyo kasi yung spouse po natin is may full-time na work. So ayan, almost 2 million in just 5 months as a couple. So this is $35 per hour and 40 hours a week. So, paano mag-application process? So, we have 8-step application process. Step 1, sign the agreement. Step 2, submit all the requirements. Step 3, assessment of your qualification. Step 4, you will receive an advice. Step 5, submit application to school. Step 6, convince the immigration that you are genuine. Step 7, submit visa application. Step 8, arrange accommodation and travel. So, these are the steps that a student will undergo but not limited. So, ayan po yung ating application processes. So, guys, if may balak na kayo mag-start ng inyong application, pwede na po tayo mag-start. Pwede po kayo mag-start na to comment down below your full name and number. Tatawagan po kayo ng aming team after this exam. So, ayan po, forms. Fill up the PDF form agreement, school enrollment form, and etc. Submit all the required documents to school. Pay the enrollment fee directly to school. Wala pong dadaan sa company. Directly po sa school. Pay the tuition fee and apply for a visa. So, they are the 3 stages. The initial are stated below to get you started. So, ayan guys, ayan po yung ating Australia. So, alam po guys, excited na kayo to undergo your application process and maraming nag-aantay na opportunity sa ating sa Australia. So, what are you waiting for, diba? So, start your application, comment down your name, full name and your number and your email address. Then, you will receive a call from us, from acceptance, and to answer your inquiries. So, and guys, thank you so much for joining our after live seminar. So, if you have any question, I'll give you 5 minutes, and I will give you a question and answer it directly. So, ayan guys, thank you all for watching our